Yellow. Yeah, 15 acres. Put paper in it. Put $157. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Yep, right back. Okay, hello. I already talked to him. Yeah, just get off the phone. 1 second. Okay. Right back. Yeah.
Makes it look
Get out of there.
The Peters goal, 7 minutes, 97. And the 6th number on the way, 7 minutes, 58 seconds. Assist to number 7 at 6 minutes 57 seconds.
There you go. Get up. Get up. Get up. Hey, hey.
Hey, hello. Morning. Okay. That's it. Okay. You want something fuller? Okay. I can hook you up with a box of probably 157. I'm going to be 50, 157, 506. I'm going to be 50%, 157 and 50% P0506. Pretty darn close to it, yeah. No, it's 105 good. Yeah. It's it has been. The last couple of years it's been pretty good, but you got to get it in early. Yeah. It's yeah, and crazy if you get scared of it because it's out there. I mean, it's out there. GBUs like 216. You know, it's pushing 2600. So. I had some side by side with the 506, 157 last year, and there was 20 bushel difference. Right next to my building, you know. I mean, it's got some tremendous capacity to yield, and moisture-wise, Yeah, yeah. Yep, sure do. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got some 506, but it's YHR. There's no refuge in it with it. There's no refuge with it. I got some 506 sitting here in paper bags, but there's no refuge with it. That's the only bad part about that. So, it'll probably cause an audit. It'll probably cause an audit and paperwork. No, I need some just regular Roundup and corn to go with it. So, but I can get you that 157, and I've got more 9789 too. So, if you want more of that one. Well, I got a full pallet or a full pro box that I never used. Yeah. Okay. 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 All right, I can do that.
Okay, ready?
You got anybody at the shop? Okay. You want it delivered right to the field and throw it on a trailer? Or? Okay. Lauren just got scored on. Lauren just got scored on. Bounced off the post and went in right in behind her. So. Yeah, hockey tournament. So, look here. Yep. Alrighty. Okay. Alright. Yeah, bye.
Oh, he didn't call it.
that? Did you see that? Warren just jabbed somebody with his fist. Yeah.
Both of us goals, number 3, assist number 2, 24 seconds.